Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to organize clothing drawers. If you're recently married, this is probably a new task for you, and I can remember doing this when I first got married. He's got all of my stuff and all of his stuff, and first of all, you need to go through and get rid of what you really don't need or you really don't wear anymore. Think about the other person. If you're trying to organize your drawers, it's probably because you don't have enough space. So think about your partner, your spouse, and make room for them by getting rid of some of your stuff. Another good idea is have designated drawers for certain things. Have your underwear drawer, and then a sock drawer, and then a swimsuit drawer, and then a workout clothes drawer, and then a t-shirt drawer, if you have that many. If not, you may want to combine your socks with your underwear, or your t-shirts with your swimsuits, and so on and so on. Just get creative and work with what you got. A good way to save space when you're wanting to organize your drawers is to roll your clothes up. As you can see, this is an underwear drawer. All the underwear is rolled up. So you can pull the drawer open and see exactly what's in there. You can grab whichever pair you want for the day without having to dig through frantically. If you're wearing white pants, you don't want to wear black underwear under them. So, this way it keeps them all right there in front of you, and you can just grab a pair and go. Same thing, this is a workout clothes drawer. So this is where the workout clothes are kept, and you can see everything right there. You know what you're going to grab. And there can be 2 or 3 more layers stacked on top of this. You can fit a lot more clothes in your drawers this way, and by rolling them up, you're not going to create wrinkles. You're going to help keep them from being wrinkled. Also, if you're planning on packing for the weekend, it's a lot easier just to grab something like this that's already rolled up and stick it in the suitcase. So just remember, when you're trying to organize your drawers, keep the other person in mind if you're organizing in order to make room for your spouse, and get rid of things you don't need. Another thing, separate your clothes according to how many drawers you have and what you can fit in them. And the third thing, roll your clothes instead of folding them. You'll find out that you have a lot more space than you thought. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you organize clothing drawers.